This is my Lego mock of, well, a Fallout. Yep. Okay. See. Okay. This right here is banana. And also right here is supposed to be like grenades. I'm pretty bad at this. Yeah, cat. This grenade, that's a grenade I call it. It's right there, grenade. And basically this guy is, right here, this, you know the, what's it called again? Yes, The Walking Dead. You know, that part where back people, yeah. That was why I sound like a zombie right now. Yeah. Okay, so this is a guy, the freaking banana. Break the banana. He thought he was a gun, but it's a banana. She's looking at him like, why do you have the banana? But this guy is breaking in because they don't know this. That's right, not right gate. Yeah, right here. Yep. Messy here. Oh yeah. This I've been working on for 2 hours. I think. Maybe 1 hour. I think so. So I added like pieces. This. See. I got this like from a off-brand Lego. Yeah. Like, basically the helmet, not the head. And yeah, that's the end. Great too, that's so orange.